Hi, I'm Lee Iridium. Hope you're doing all right today. It's reaction time. I've got quite a few to get through. These might be a bit quick fire for you, but most of them are new ones. This one's from a guy called Shawn Michael Perry, and the song's called Rain Come Down. I think it's going to be on an album that's going to be released pretty soon. If anyone doesn't know who Shawn Michael Perry is, he's starred in a few films actually, including one of my favourite films, Last of the Mohicans. Absolutely love that film. Done a few TV programmes as well, but obviously musical artist as well, songwriter, singer. This song's actually produced by Alessandro Del Vecchio. So he does get involved in other stuff, Alessandro Del Vecchio, other than Frontiers, on other labels and stuff. This one in particular. So also joining Shawn Michael Perry on this song Rain Come Down is Michel Sana on the drums, used a lot in the Frontiers projects, love his drumming. Alessandro Del Vecchio does the bass playing, and Andrea Cerveso is the guitar player. So without further ado, Shawn Michael Perry and Rain Come Down. Here we go. Crunchy, man. Oh, yes. Give it a quick stop there. Man, I love it. I absolutely love it. It's almost got a rocky, bluesy sort of feel about that, especially the rhythm, the guitar. The rhythm of that guitar, it's sort of so busy as well, that guitar, the little intricate bits that are going on, but it's got that sort of heavy blues feel, if you know what I mean. Sort of reminds me of bands like Badlands or Blue Murder, things like that. Do you know what I mean? Real crunchy guitar going on. Straight away, the guitaring, as soon as it came in, I thought, oh yeah, that sounds cool. Nice and crunchy and loud in the mix. This is a proper, I can't hear any keyboards, which is a good thing. Yeah, no, it's not always a good thing, but on this it is, because you get the crunch of the guitar, which is what it's all about. He's got a great voice, man. It's almost like a classic rock voice with that soul in it. Very cool indeed. Very different as well. Do you know what I mean? And a lot of the things we're hearing now. So you've got that almost harking back to late 80s, early 90s melodic hard rock, bluesy type stuff. You know, like maybe like XYZ did on their second album, stuff like that. I love it. I absolutely love it because, you know, it does make a change. You know, to hear something like that, it's almost classic rock with a bit of blues, but real melody mixed in. Loving the guitar work. I absolutely love it. The little intricate bits of playing. Of course, a great solid performance by Michel Sanner. I mean, I love his drumming, man. He's across, some people might not know, he's across so many different Frontiers projects. You know, some of the best ones that are coming out of Frontiers, and he's involved in. Very cool indeed drummer. Obviously, Alessandro Del Vecchio on the bass. He's got a real thump to this as well. This got a real cool bass. I love his production on this as well. It's more stripped down than some of Alessandro Del Vecchio's bass production, sorry. So it's got that more stripped down feeling, but I think that is mainly because it's just the instruments, the bass, guitar, drums and vocals, making it feel more stripped down. But it's a great production, really nice and clear. You know, it's really punchy. The drums sound great. Absolutely fantastic so far. Loving it. But the vocals are outstanding. You know, like I say, he's got a lot of feel and a lot of soul in his voice. Shawn Michael Perry. Really impressed. Really fucking impressed with this one. Let's listen to the rest. We've got a solo to come, and I'm loving the guitar in so far. So here we go. If there is a solo, obviously. I love that song. Wow, really impressed with that. Almost like a groove, real groove to that bluesy sort of groove. Absolutely fantastic. Almost reminded me some of the guitar playing in that. I mean, the solo was just outstanding, but the guitar solo, some of the intricacy that's going on, almost like a George Lynch feel to it as well. Some real intricate stuff going on the fretboard, and sort of vocally a little bit reminded me of Gary Moore a little bit as well. So you've got all those little things sort of mixed together, making a brilliant song. Heavy, got a real groove to it, absolutely outstanding song. I loved it, and it felt fresh. Even though that sort of thing's been done before, you know, the bluesy sort of, like I said, Blue Murder, Badlands, it's got that feel of that. But it's sort of fresh now because we don't hear a lot of it. Where a lot of people are trying to tempt the mid-80s stuff, if you like, you know, or late 80s. This sort of felt a bit like that bluesy feel of that time, which not a lot of bands don't think are going for so much. Absolutely fantastic. Shawn Michael Perry, Rain Come Down. Absolutely loved it. Let me know what you think of this in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.